We have an aluminum alloy mobile phone holder that can be used on pretty much any bike. Let's check it out. These are the parts that come inside the box. This is what you would attach to your handlebar. These are some extra screws in case you have a smaller handlebar. This is where your phone would go in. It's adjustable. And these are the insulators that go on the phone mount. So this is how you install the insulators. These two go into these two slots. Now when you put it in, you have to make sure it stays in there and all of the sides are secure. You have to push it down so it stays. Just like this. You do the same thing for the second one. Just like that. You see both of them are secure. We have 4 insulators for the phone mount. The phone mount and the insulators have a teardrop shape and they will fit into each other. The insulators should snap right into place if you apply a little bit of pressure, just like you see me doing in the video. Just remember, you should install all 4 insulators before you attach the phone mount onto the handlebar mount. You can have it in either portrait mode or landscape mode. If you wanted to have it in portrait mode, which is what I'm doing, you would have it like this. But if you wanted it in landscape mode, you would have it like this. Once you find the position you want it to be in, you tighten your screw down. Since I want it in portrait mode, I'm going to have it like this, and then I use the Allen key to tighten the screw. Once you have it secure, it should look like this. Nothing should be able to move. Let's test it on the bike. I have the phone mount attached to the handlebar. As you can see here, this is what it looks like. You can see how I assembled it. And this piece on the inside is what you would use to prevent your handlebar from getting scratched or messed up. I have my phone inside the phone mount, pretty sturdy. And if you wanted to adjust it, you would use this metal piece right here. Turn it this way to tighten it, and this way to loosen it. Obviously, you want to have it pretty tight so your phone doesn't move while you're riding it. And let's see what it can do. I'm riding the bike, and as you can see, I have the phone on here. Stays in place, it does its job, and I would say it's simply a good product. Very adjustable, you can really fit it to how you want it. And I would say it's great, and I hope this review helped you make a decision on this product. I'll see you in the next review. Peace.